Hi friends and subscribers, this is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on developing a classified website using Laravel 5.8. In my last video I completed the functionality of displaying the names of cities whenever user select any of the state or enters the name of any state inside this text box. Okay, now let me just show you that. Okay, now I'm entering A and suddenly list of all the states are started displaying here, and when I click on this any of the state, it's displaying the names of all cities which comes under Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so now in this video I will develop the functionality of displaying the selected city name below this text box. Okay, so now when I click on this any of this link, nothing is getting happen. Okay, so now when I click on any of this list item, I want that selected or clicked a list item to be displayed below this text box. Okay, so for that I have to go to my editor, and this is my project, and I need to go to app.blade.php. okay, and then after completing this, okay, so here I have to come and then I need to copy the same code, copy and paste it here. Okay, click city list. Okay, and when I'll just right click on it, and then when I click on inspect, okay, you can see this is having the ID of city list. Okay, div city list. Okay, so now I have given this city list ID here. Okay, so that when I click on this city list link, I want that link item or list item to be displayed below the text box. Okay, so now I will just remove it. Okay, and then put an event where txt equals to dollar e dot target dot text. Okay, and then dot city. Okay, and then fade in, and then city list fade out. Okay, save it. Okay, and then same thing, I will just copy this city dot val, and I will pass this text site this val. Okay, and now I need to create that city div. Okay, so here below this div I need to create that. Okay, I'm displaying that list item inside a text box. Okay, input type text. Okay, and then name city, ID also city. Okay, and then style, let's save it. Let's refresh the page. Okay, now when I type A and when I click on this state item, okay, and when I click on this any of the state, as you can see here that city name is displaying inside this text box. Okay, so that's what I wanted. Okay, and now I need to change the appearance of this text box, so I will come here Okay, background RGB 9 25 50. Okay, and then border 1 px solid. Same I will copy. Okay, and then color white. Okay, save it and refresh. Okay, now you can see it's not displaying that text box because I have given this the same color whatever I have given it to the navigation menu. Okay, now I will type A, and when I click on Andhra Pradesh, it's displaying the names of the cities. And now I will click on this city. You can see that city is also displaying below that text box. Okay, now this is how we can develop that functionality of displaying the name of city below the text box. Okay, so here I have taken on click listener. Okay, and this is the city list is the ID of that list item. Okay, and here I'm displaying that city, okay, by using fade in function. Okay, and then once I display that city name below the text box, and then I'm hiding that city list. Okay, that which is the drop down which contains the city names. Okay, so this is how we can develop the functionality of displaying the name of the selected city below the text box. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.